Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and watching CGHOW video. Today I created this very simple rock effect in UE5 Niagara and using Blender for the rock mesh. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, like, share and comment, and let's start this tutorial. So I have this map and let's create a mesh of rock in Blender first. So in Blender I'll do that quickly. So I have this basic rock and now I will divide it into four parts like on X and Y. So I need to use boolean and I need a planer. I'll do that quickly. So I have these four meshes of uh, these rocks. So I will select all smooth fade and also go to UV and press U and press unwrap automatic. Okay, and that's it. So I will select these all